Hey everybody, I wanted to share how a typical day unfolds for me as a software engineer and startup founder based in San Francisco. My day starts early at 6 a.m. Waking up at this time gives me a head start and some quiet time to set the tone for the day. After freshening up, I head to the kitchen to make breakfast. Today, I'm making an omelet sandwich, a simple yet fulfilling way to kickstart my morning. While I was cooking, my co-founder came down with some great news. We had a technical issue in our code that we've been trying to solve for days, and he finally cracked it.
You solved it?
Yeah, but I have data coming through, and
holy shit!
I tried one way, it says you don't have permissions. I tried with the pull request, it gives me. But what's more is there's a versioning issue, so the customer's API is unstable, and
Right.
apparently it was supposed to be the first iteration that may move it off of unstable was supposed to come in October.
So if you could curl it, you can get it.
Yeah.
It's funny how in tech, sometimes things work, and we have no idea why, and other times they work, and we still have no idea why. And hey, problem solved, and that's what matters. After enjoying my sandwich with a generous spread of mayo, I packed my bag and got ready to head to the office. The weather was surprisingly pleasant today, so no jacket needed, which is not very common in San Francisco. During my bike ride to the office, I usually take some time to think about the work I have planned for the day. I got to the office around noon, which is pretty standard for me. The first thing I do is jot down my priorities for the day.
Nice.
Hey, what's going on, Michael? Good to see you.
How you doing?
Good.
So my company is building an AI-powered customer service platform for online retailers, and I spent some time following up with investor leads from our recent demo day at Carnegie Mellon's accelerator called Venture Bridge. I also wrote some code for a marketing campaign we're launching this week, and it's amazing how engineering skills can be leveraged for hyper-personalized marketing. And of course, I worked on enhancing the background replier for our customer service AI. Continuous improvement is always key. I usually wrap up around 9 p.m., but today was an exception. I had to leave early at 7 p.m. to fix an issue with my bike's brakes because I didn't want to be biking when it's dark outside.